Hey, welcome back once again. Welcome. So today, we'll be looking at. Let's look at the futures market. Okay, let's look at the futures market. So we've looked at trade. We've looked at sports. I want us to look at futures now, right? So, if you just started, when you open this, Binance would ask you to take a quiz, right? So do well to take the quiz, read the articles. I think one of the interesting things about Binance is that they put education firstly, and that is very vital. It's very important you get educated, or you have a reasonable amount of knowledge with regards to what you want to do. And this video would also help put you ahead when it comes to the futures trading. So once you come here after the quiz and you are permitted to make the most out of this, then the first thing you want to do is you want to deposit. Okay, so you want to deposit from your what is it called, from your P2P wallet, right? You want to deposit from your P2P wallet here, right? Or your spots. Okay, you want to deposit funds here. So after you've done that, I've done that earlier, so I have $9.97 here. The next thing you want to check is this. You want to be sure that you've not just left this in cross. Okay, you want to take the margin mode to isolated. Now when you leave it in cross, it means all your balance will be used or will be involved when it comes to servicing your trade. When you leave it in isolated simply means the speculated amount you had specified for servicing the trade is what would be used to service the trade. So if you are losing, of course now a trade can go the wrong way. So if you are losing, you are just losing the stipulated amount. You're not going overboard, right? Then the next thing you want to be sure to do is to choose leverage. So when you are choosing your leverage, in fact, just see Binance starts to warn you immediately you get to this point. They start to warn you, right? Okay, so you want to, depending on you, I'm just suggesting, okay, you want to choose this. Then as you trade, also when you want your long, if you are longing, depending on whether you want to go long or go short, this has to do with how knowledgeable you are with regards to technical analysis. So you must be very technical analysis savvy for you to use the Binance or for you to play in the futures trading. So of course there are lots of stuffs you can do here. It's not just BTC USDT. So we've got Ethereum USDT, so many of them. You want to check out which you want to you want to check out which you feel you want to go with. Okay, so the next thing to do is to choose. Don't go all the way in with your capital, please. Don't go all the way in with your capital, right? Don't go all the way in with your capital. Try to use 25%, 50%, but you might want to just go with 25%. It's more, the risks. You have to consider the risks in everything you are doing, right? So that's it. Also, as you do this, remember to take profits, set stop loss. Of course, now this was shown in the other video. We do not have to go over them in this video as well. So I said to introduce, show you the vital things with regards to the Binance futures or futures trading. You can always check coin pairs here, and then it's either you are long. If you are buying, you are longing, right? You are saying this coin will go up, and if you are selling, you are shorting, so you are saying it's going to go down, right? So the thing here is excuse me, you are making money both ways, right? You're going to make money both ways. You're saying if you are shorting, you are saying it's going down. When it starts to come down, you're making money. If you are buying, or you are longing, you're saying it's going to go up, and as it goes up, you're making money as well. Alright, so a recap: we've talked about how to add money here, we've talked about cross and margin, about cross and isolated, then we've talked about leverage. This has been adjusted because of what we selected, yeah, but I said 5 or 10 is cool. Then we talked about take profit and take limit. We talked about not using everything you have. Don't go all in with everything you have, okay? So once you've entered the trade, you want to set your stop loss or take profits. Alright, so that's all I have to share with us in this video. I hope you gain value. Bye bye.